Energetic and gorgeous Kamshat Joldubayeva appears in this Kazakh song. It's about the unity of nations and the willingness to lead in the way. This time we will take up Kazakh and see it through Turkish. Kazakh and Turkish both belong to the common Turkic language group, but they come from different subgroups, Kıpçak and Oguz. The name of the song is Birge, which translates as Birlikte, together. Both words come from the numeral bir, 1, but the Kazakh is formed with the case suffix, and the Turkish is formed using the affixes lik and te. If we followed the Kazakh logic, it would be bire in Turkish. The production has many ethnic elements of both Kazakh and other nations. The style has a universal appeal, which is fit for our Turkic lyrics analysis. The video is striking and over the top. Check it out using the link in the description. But now, let's focus on the lyrical content, which is quite ambitious. Though, is it simple enough for Turkish speakers to grasp it? Some words are easy to recognize, like sende and mende, kızı, gözümüzde. Some Turkish speakers may be familiar with these already because these differences are unique and quite challenging. For example, Turkish y sounds like j in Kazakh. And so we have jangan, which is yanan, and yıldızı, which is yıldızı. And in Kazakh, affixes accommodate to the stems. Here we have dostluğu, which is pronounced dostluğu in Turkish. Earlier we had bakıtlı, which is bahtlı. Notice how they spell the vowel with the letter y like in Turkmen, but not like in Turkish, where it's used for the consonant y. Notice how they also have the Turkish undotted letter I, but it stands for a different vowel. And Kazakh has many vowels with subtle distinction. There are two versions of the Arabic alem and halam, which are used interchangeably. One is said to have come through the Tatar language, which at one point in history used to have a significant influence in the region. With the help of an alphabet adjustment, the text becomes much easier to grasp, but nothing helps to recognize that Ürge is the same with the Turkish eve. Loanwords from Arabic and Persian are unrecognizable because they are pronounced differently. Here we actually have Kuat, which is Kuvvet, Bakıt, which is Baht, Mekenge, which is Mekana, and who would have thought that intimak is actually the same as Turkish ittifak? Just like on other occasions of analyzing a Kazakh song, we see incredible similarities hidden behind distinctive sound correspondences. 68% of the words in this song are similar to Turkish. It's quite high, but still a lot of effort is required to catch the finer details of the lyrics. What are your thoughts on these language similarities? Share them in the comments, subscribe to the channel, follow me on other platforms. Many thanks and see you in another of Turkic Lyrics.